It's part 3 to Bumpy's car show. So we're going to go down this little stretch. I paused the video and ran over there. I heard some noise. Trying to give you guys a little bit of action today other than just walking around looking at cars. Even though you got some amazing cars out here. So, a lot of beautiful, beautiful cars. Antiques, classics, customs. So, anytime I can hear one of these guys start up, I'm gonna go and try and find it for you guys. Go down this real quick. I like those hoods, how they come up like that. Just gonna quickly breeze through these real quick. I guess this show's been going on since like 8 o'clock this morning. So, I don't know how long it's going to be going for. So we're going to try and get as many as we can here. Ooh, look at that Jeep over there. Just playing. Bel Air. Alright, let's pause this and we'll be back. Trying to get this little stretch done and over with real quick. We got some more cars. Still got that whole road down there to go through to that road closed sign. Got all that to get. Got down here to the left. Well, we just listened to that one car. Trying to do this fast, but let you guys see it as well. This looks like another one of those kit cars, maybe. I don't know. Look at that beast. Model A, pink Model A. I'm sure my wife's come over here and taken some pictures of that. Man, that's beautiful. Look at those heads. Oh, you can't see it, but it says Cadillac. Let's see if I can get to the side and get it. Oh, there it is, kinda. All right, let's go this way. Look at this turbo in this thing. A turbo shield, something. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. That thing over there. I'm gonna go side to side here. Got a motorcycle. Or a super sport. Trying to get this guy to start it up. He said burn too much gas. Almost to the end here. Beautiful car, but man, those rims, just not doing it. Just not filling in rims on that thing. But everybody's got their preference. Another bright yellow one. Stand back over here. Got some more guys on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Oh, got the AMX going over there. It's the main road where it's all still going. We got this all blocked off for us. Another super sport. That thing is sweet. I thought it said Bel Air, but it's not. Dang, I just looked down a side road and there's more cars over there too. I thought we were almost to the end. But we're not. This might be like a 4-part video. Man, what has he got under there? King Shocks. Ever heard of them? Got the Willwood. It's nice. It's a sweet Jeep, man. Sweet Jeep. This is that car we heard start up